Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today we are going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. This is going to be for mid September. Cancer, please keep in mind that these are general reading, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Also, Cancer, I'm going to see your person's feeling. Your energies towards your person in this relationship on this side, and your person's energy towards you in this relationship on the other hand. And in center, I'm going to see what is the current situation of this relationship and what is the future outcome of this relationship. Okay, so let's start the reading for Cancer. So we have the Fool, Knight of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Temperance, Strength card, Queen of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Page of Cups. Okay. So let's see, Cancer, what's your energy towards your person in this relationship. With this Fool card, I'm feeling that you feel about your person you see your person as someone who is very much immature, who is very much who is not ready to, who is not afraid to take any actions. They have a lot of faith in divine. They have a lot of faith in, or lot of faith in them. Okay. They are someone who is kind of very immature, and who is someone who believes the other person very quickly. Okay, the person is not a very judgmental kind of a person, very naive, very what should I call your person as? Immature, someone who is very kiddish. Okay, that's how you see, and that's what your energy towards a person. Okay, and with Nine of Swords, I feel that your person never rethink or never thinks about the consequences of their action which they take in hustle bustle. Okay, they are being very immature, they are very naive, they are very kiddish, and they do not think a lot about it. Although sword belongs to air sign, and air sign belongs to stability and balancing thing, but this is not the case in this reading. Okay, you feel your person is someone who takes actions very rapidly, who doesn't think about who doesn't think about the consequences of their actions. Okay, and also you see your person who is very much, you see your person who is very much free from responsibilities. Your person has everything in life, be it home, be it, maybe you guys have you Cancer, you maybe have some kids with with this person. It could also happen, sorry about that. Okay, so maybe you guys are married to each other. Okay, this could also happen, that you feel about your partner or your spouse that your person is being very immature, and they take very every decision in very in a rush. Okay, and on the other hand, I'm seeing your person has everything in life. They have home, they have kids, they have pets in their house, they have everything in life what they wanted from life. Okay, abundance is with them. They have a lot to offer to the other person. Okay, now let's see your person's energy towards you in this relationship, Cancer. Cancer, your person adores you. Yes, they do. Maybe they do not tell you right in front of your face, but they do adore you, they do like you. Okay, they see you as someone who is very much mature, who is very much in control, who is very much in senses. And I mean, they know that you are someone who can bring the balance into their life. Okay, you know how to keep balance things, you know how to deal with people, you know how to deal with negative emotions, with bad situations. Okay, your person adores you a lot, a lot. Okay, they feel that you are some angels in their life. You heal them, you protect them from these negative emotions, and you are always ready to fight for their rights. And I mean, you are always you are their savior, kind of a thing. That's what I'm trying to say. You are their savior. They see you as someone who can save them in life, who can save them from negative emotions, because they see you are very mature, very down to earth, very kind, very a very gentle person. Okay, and you bring balance into their life. That's what also they feel about you. And they see you as someone who is very much strong headed person, who knows what to do and when to do. And you are, you know you are their savior. That's what I'm saying. Okay, you know how to cut people out from your person's life, the negative persons from your person's life. Okay, they adore you a lot. The current situation of this relationship is Two of Pentacles. Okay, both of you are juggling in this relationship right now, because your person feels that you are someone who is very mature, and on the other hand, your person feels that, I mean, you feel about your person that your person is very immature. And I mean, you feel your person takes actions very, in a hustle bustle and in a rush. And on the other hand, your person feels about you that you are someone who is very strong-minded person, who is not afraid to take a step, okay, towards their relationship. And this is kind of very juggling. I mean, this is very confusing state of relationship. That's what I'm feeling right now. Okay, but it's cute, it's not bad, it's cute. So let's see what is going to be the future potential or future outcome of this reading. So with this Page of Cups, I'm feeling that someone is coming forward. It's a person who is coming forward, I mean, coming towards you. Okay, and they are going to offer you this Page of Cups. Something is new is about to happen in your relationship, Cancer. They are going to offer you something new in this relationship. If you guys are not married, so it could also happen that they are going to propose you, or maybe something also happening or is going to happen in this relationship in near future. That's what I'm feeling. Okay, let's see what is the current situation of this relationship, Cancer. Sorry, what is the overall outcome of this reading? This card wants to pop out. Nine of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck we have Knight of Wands, Six of Wands. Overall outcome of this reading is Nine of Pentacles. Okay, you guys are mirroring it. I mean, you guys are acting totally opposite to towards each other. I mean, you guys are on 360 degree, I mean you are behaving 360 degree differently from your person. That's what I'm trying to say. And that's why you are being juggling in this relationship, I mean you and your person both of are juggling in this relationship with this Two of Pentacles. And also I'm seeing as of now the overall outcome of this reading is Nine of Pentacles, because I mean you both of you want to independent, both of you remain, you're choosing to remain independent currently in this I mean you do, both of you do not want to dependent on the other person for their emotional needs. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you all the signs. Cancer, with this 10 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles, I'm feeling that you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, and with this Temperance card, some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius also, Queen of Swords, Knight of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Water sign is also here, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Page of Cups. So that was the reading for Cancer. So any part of of this reading is resonating with you, Cancer, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.